What's up, guys, and welcome to Dancing with Tech. Today we're gonna be talking about some good old tech. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and leave a comment below. And of course, we're gonna be talking about a good old joke. And the joke for today is, why did a man get hit by a bike every single day? Huh? Come on now, you know what this answer is. You guys explain to me, right? If you don't know, then I'll tell you. He was stuck in a vicious cycle. The Google Pixel 6, the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and the Google Pixel Fold. Yes, you heard me correctly. In this video, we'll be going over all of the details. As you know, the Google Pixel 6 was leaked a few weeks ago. Then a third-party manufacturer also leaked a case design of the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Leaks are confirming how the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro looks. Guys, this happens all the time. When we begin to have like speculations of the case designs or phone design, and then you get the phone design leak, and then a couple weeks later, you get the case design leak as well. So this pretty much confirms any type of doubts that anyone may have how the Google Pixel 6 series may look like. Let's go ahead and focus on the Google Pixel Fold. The Google Pixel Fold is rumored to come out later this year. According to 9to5 Google News, they said the elect claims that Samsung Display will start producing foldable OLED displays for Google, Vivo, and Xiaomi. Starting later on this year, specifically, production of those panels will begin October 2021. Based on the information, the Google Pixel Fold probably won't be available to the public probably sometime next year if they start production in October. However, Ross Young said the Pixel Fold will come first at the end of the year, end of 2021. Makes me think about, only time will tell, guys. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into the Google Pixel 6 series and all of its glory. Now, Google Pixel 6 will be putting a lot more focus into the photography using a custom NPU and ISP for better photography. And you guys can thank Tron for all the information. Check him out on Twitter. So now we're going to be discussing all of the specs, everything we know about the Google Pixel 6 series. Now we're going to start with the Google Pixel will be getting a larger display. You can expect a 6.4-inch OLED display. It's going to be full HD at 120 Hz display with a flat screen. The selfie punch hole camera will be smaller than its predecessor, and it's going to allow 4K recording. On the rear, we are getting a dual camera setup consisting of a wide and ultra wide cameras. There are no specific details on the cameras as of yet. The Google Pixel 6 will be powered by the Google Silicon 101 system on chip. We are also expecting 8 gigs of RAM with 128 storage, and it's likely to have a 4,200 milliamp hour battery with 25 watt fast charge. It will also support 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and ultra wideband chip. Obviously, it will be running Android version 12. So guys, now we're going to be jumping into the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now let's jump to the Google Pixel 6 Pro. The screen display will be a 6.67 curved AMOLED display screen. It's going to be QHD and probably 90 or 120 Hz. The selfie camera will be smaller than last year's model and will allow 4K recording. On the rear, we'll be getting a triple camera setup with additional sensors and a LED flash. The cameras are going to be wide angle, ultra wide, and have a periscope cameras and a color correction sensor. The color correction sensor will take your photography to the next level. The Google Pixel 6 Pro will be powered by the Google Silicon 101 system on chip. It also expects to come with 8 gigs of RAM with a choice of 128 or 256 gigs of storage. It's going to use a 5,000 mAh battery with a 25 watt fast charge. It will support 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and ultra wideband chip. Obviously, it will be running Android 12. These are all the specs we have right now. And right now also there's no pricing either. So the question for today, how much do you think the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro will cost? My belief is I think the Google Pixel 6 will cost no higher than $700. And the Google Pixel 6 Pro will cost no higher than $1,100. Alright guys, thanks for checking me out. If you're new to the Dancing with Tech family, thank you. And make sure you guys hit the like button. If you're an OG, been with me since day one, hey guys, go ahead and hit the like button as well. And also guys, thanks for supporting my channel. Until next time, I shall see you guys later.